kwarto siya. Kwarto namin.
Sa may pintuan ng kwarto.
Sa may kwarto niya. Iiwan chinelas niya ha.
Ano yung mga gat
Ako na. Together, lifting praises to the Father above for sending His Son. We've just gathered together as a family to serve Him forever, knowing nothing else will matter in time. We've made up our mind. Through the heat of the day, we will join in the fight till it takes us away, till our faith becomes sight. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Choose you this day, tell me who will you serve. Let nothing stand in your way. Give the praise we deserve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. We will serve Him. We will serve Him. We will serve Him. For He is worthy. Serve Him. We will serve Him. Pag matanaw ay pag sure.
For He is worthy. Choose you this day. Tell me who will you serve. Let nothing stand in your way. Give the praise He deserves. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. The Lord. The yan, oy, sabi ni
Ay, happy birthday pa.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ano na to? Happy birthday. Tato happy birthday.
wala pa mo yan pa pata oy higda sa dito.
Higda.
Wala gani. Mga girls kayo, yung kasi.
Ano man?
Enjoy.
Tatanda.
Birthday. Ano to? Birthday na lang ah. Tulo to tayo.
Ada kay gani.
Go. Dito kami. Dito kami. Sa una-una kami. Sabay kami yung ano. First
Lakas sana.
One,
Grabe
two,
ginaano, alam
one, two, three. Start na. Live. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go. Napakas talaga kami nito ha. Life can be so good. Life can be so hard. Never knowing what each day will bring to where you are. Sometimes I forget, and sometimes I can't see that whatever comes my way, you'll be with me. My life is in your hands, my heart is in your keeping. I'm never without love, not when my future is with you. My life is in your hands.
love does amazing. Lord, I know my life is in your hands. Nothing is for sure. Nothing is for keeps. All I know is that your love will live eternally. So I will find my way, and I will find my peace, knowing that
Wala, antok si ate.
Ala.
My life is in your hands, my heart is in your keeping. I'm never without love, not when my future is with you. My life is in your hands, and though I may not see clearly, I will lift my voice and sing, 'cause your love does amazing things. Lord, I know my life is in your hands. When I'm at my weakest, love, you carry me. Then I become my strongest, love, in your hands. And my life is in your hands, and though I may not see clearly, I will lift my voice and sing, 'cause your love does amazing things. Lord, I know my life is in your hands. I trust you, Lord, my life is in your hands.
Go, Kuya Ricky! Last na lang.
Ano isa pa?
Happy birthday.
Ah, sige. Ay, hindi pala.
Pa isang.
Ay, ano? Grabe, magkanta nag-secret pa. Ano, men? Happy birthday.
Saan pag-playan?
Hindi masyadong i-prepare na.
Mag-prepare talaga namin
Effort
ito.
kami kahit 1 minute lang, oh.
Hindi okay, hindi ka masyadong
Ano yan?
Hindi ka masyadong meet.
Mahina.
Isa walang busy kaming lahat. Ano yan?
Kaya naman pala.
Oh, yeah!
Ano kasi? Natin mo.
Ano yan?
Lahat ng taranta si Mama. Hindi lang.
Ano yan?
Parang magpasok na.
Ay.
I've got a call from an old friend.
Yan naman.
Ay,
Talked
nasa-
about how we had changed. The longer now. No, parang nalood ba?
Wait,
He tried to hide his feelings, but they only gave him away. The longer I listened, the more I kept wishing I knew the right words to say.